heavies, you might not need to do more stretches or mobility workout. Let's say that you start feeling some hip tightness. It's very normal for women, by the way. We have more hip tightness, and you're like, okay, let me stretch out, and you stretch out. Usually it's the IT band problem. But if after 2 weeks and you're stretching and it's not working, so what does that mean? So that means that you're not too stretched, your muscles aren't too tight. It's actually too stretched and being too weak. There's a lot of reason to why that happens. So some might be biological. With women, we have wider hips, so that muscles need to work more. So it's a kind of overuse thing, biological thing, or you just not strengthen this part enough, and so you need to do more strength training instead of stretching it out. And strength training might help with that problem much, much better, because then you're from it being too tight and then you're feeling that stretch, but it's actually too tight. It's trying to prepare itself. Like, if you have a cut on your hand, say you have a cut, you're not going to try to stretch it out over time. You're going to let it rest, put a Band-Aid on. But then, you're not trying to stretch it out later on. So it's that similar, your muscles is weak in that area, and that's why you need more strength training.